Hi, Jhonattan. It's great to have you here with us at the MTC as our newest AM team member. How are you settling in?
Yeah, it's been great joining the MTC. I'm very happy to be here. Happy to join the AM team, the AM Metals team. The team is receiving me very well, welcoming me super well. So loving it.
Oh, fantastic. And what is it you're going to be specialising in? Is it the DED area, right?
Yes. So I joined the MTC as the technical specialist in DED. So my background is more than 10 years working on the laser DED technology. And my work here will be to help MTC to establish DED as one of the core technologies to deliver to our members and to the wide UK industry.
Oh, that's really exciting. And are there some projects coming up that you can get excited about or looking forward to getting involved with?
Yes. So it's very nice because I just joined 3 weeks ago. This is my third week, and I can see a very strong pipeline of projects coming through. Very good opportunities with a variety of different industries. So I'm very excited with what's coming next and what MTC will be able to provide to UK industry very, very soon.
Oh, that's great. And what is it about DED that gets you so excited and so passionate about?
Yeah, so what I love about DED is the capability to work with multiple applications with a single tool. So we can work with repair of high value components and difficult repairs. We can work for coatings, functional coatings to give to the material some characteristics that are not originally provided by it. We can do additive manufacturing of very large components, metal components, and very large components and complex structures. We can work with functionally graded materials, which is something that industry needs in some specific applications. We can apply multiple materials at the same time, like ceramics and metals together to create metal matrix composites. So there's a lot of advantages of using DED, and I think the industry is living now a turning point where we can see a massive increase of needs for DED, for aerospace, for defense applications, for oil and gas applications. So I think DED is the right technology to be applied in many applications that industry needs at this moment, and I'm very excited about it.
Oh, that's really good. Well, thank you very much, Jhonattan. It's great to have you here with us.
Thank you.